Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Aspire Knowledge. Hi, I am Japneet and I'm conducting this session for class 4th. Today we are going to do New Gems English Reader by Ratna Sagar. This is the cover book I'm talking about. We are going to do this. So before starting the video, I want you to subscribe my channel and press the like button if you like my video. So let's start with poem 7, My Mother. This poem is written by Anne Taylor. The poet of this poem is Anne Taylor. Let's read the poem now. Who sat and watched my infant head when sleeping on my cradle bed, and tears of sweet affection shed, my mother. Who dressed my doll in clothes so gay, and fondly taught me how to play, and minded all I had to say, my mother. Who ran to help me when I fell, and would some pretty story tell, or kiss the place to make it well, my mother. And can I ever cease to be affectionate and kind to thee, who was so very kind to me, my mother? So this poem is basically a dedication to a mother. The love mother showed us, and now it's time for us to give love to her. This is a dedication from a daughter to a mother. That's why Anne Taylor wrote this poem. Now I'm just going to explain it stanza wise. Who sat and watched my infant head when sleeping on my cradle bed, and tears of sweet affection shed, my mother. जो हमेशा मेरे पास बैठकर मेरे छोटे से सर को देखती थी जब मैं छोटा सा बेबी था, इन्फेंट था, न्यू बॉर्न था, और वो हमेशा मेरे पास ही सोती थी जब मैं अपने क्रेडल बेड में होता था, मुझे देखती रहती थी और खुशी के मारे उसकी आंखों से आंसू आने लग जाते थे. वो कोई नहीं, वो सिर्फ मेरी मदर थी. Who dressed my doll in clothes so gay and fondly taught me how to play, and minded all I had to say, my mother. जो मेरी डॉल को बहुत कलरफुल क्लोथ्स में ड्रेस करती थी, उसे अलग अलग कपड़े पहनाकर से जाती थी. जब भी मैं खेलता था तो मेरे साथ खेलती थी, मुझे अलग अलग गेम्स खेलना सिखाती थी, और जो भी मैं बोलना चाहता था वो हमेशा मेरी बात सुनती थी और उसे मेरी कोई भी बात बुरी नहीं लगती थी. वो कौन थी? वो सिर्फ मेरी मदर थी जो मेरे साथ ऐसे खेलती थी और मुझे नई नई चीजें सिखाती थी. Who ran to help me when I fell and would some pretty story tell, or kiss the place to make it well, my mother. और जब भी मैं कभी भागता था और गिर जाता था, हमेशा एक वही थी जो वापस मुझे उठाने आती थी और मुझे उठाते हुए मेरी जहाँ भी चोट लगी है उसे प्यार करती थी और मुझे प्रिटी प्रिटी स्टोरी सुनाती थी. वो कोई नहीं, वो मेरी मदर थी, उसके अलावा तो कोई हो ही नहीं सकता. एंड कैन आई एवर सीज टू बी अफेक्शनेट एंड काइंड टू दी, हु वॉज सो वेरी काइंड टू मी, माई मदर. क्या मैं कभी रुक सकता हूँ उनकी तरफ वो प्यार, वो लव, वो काइंडनेस दिखाने से, जैसे उन्होंने मुझे वो काइंडनेस दिखाई, प्यार दिखाया, मुझे हर चीज सिखाई. तो मेरी मदर के लिए मैं कभी भी अपना प्यार रोक नहीं सकता, हमेशा उनसे प्यार करूंगा, करता रहूंगा, उनकी तरफ हमेशा काइंड रहूंगा. मैं कभी भी स्टॉप नहीं कर सकता उस लव को.
My mother. Who sat and watched my infant head when sleeping on my cradle bed, and tears of sweet affection shed, my mother. Who dressed my doll in clothes so gay, and fondly taught me how to play, and minded all I had to say, my mother. Who ran to help me when I fell and would some pretty story tell, or kiss the place to make it well? My mother. And can I ever cease to be affectionate and kind to thee, who was so very kind to me, my mother?
Now we are going to do book exercise of this poem. Let's start with the comprehension. This comprehension part is related to the poem. Question A. Circle the correct words within the brackets. First one is, the mother would shed tears of joy while watching her baby sleep. उनके खुशी के आंसू आते थे जब वो बेबी को सोते हुए देखती थी. The mother taught the child how to play. उन्होंने बेबी को खेलना सिखाया था. The mother would always listen to anything the child said. वो हर एक बात सुनती थी. The mother would run to help when the child fell down. वो हमेशा जब भी गिरता था तो उसकी मदद करने जाती थी. The mother kissed the child when she got hurt. जब भी उसे लगती थी तो वो child को kiss करती थी. The child can never be cruel to her mother. वो कभी भी अपनी मदर के लिए cruel नहीं हो सकता है. Now next, play with words. See question, use the clues to complete the word pyramid. So clues are given and in the pyramid you have to complete the word according to that. So first one is a crowd. Crowd is also called mob. Synonym of crowd is mob. Next is night insect. So night insect is moth. Another one is January is one of these. इनमें से एक है January. क्या है? Month. She loves you best of all. सबसे ज्यादा यही आपसे प्यार करती है और ये है mother. The early part of the day. सबसे पहला part कौन सा है day का? Morning. A very high place to climb. Mountain. सबसे ऊंची जगह climb करने के लिए है mountain. Now D question, tick the correct words within the brackets. Bracket में आपको दो words दिए हैं. They sound same but their meanings are different and their spellings are different. So you have to choose wisely. This is a quiet neighborhood. We have lived here for quite a long time. So this is a quiet. यहाँ पर शांत है ये neighborhood. Q-U-I-E-T. Quiet. शांत. We have lived here for quite a long time. Q-U-I-T-E. काफी लंबे समय. Fully और completely काफी लंबे समय से हम यहीं रह रहे हैं. I have 2 dogs. T-W-O-2. 2 dogs हैं. They are too wild to live inside the house. T-O-O-2. बहुत ही ज्यादा जंगली हैं. This is their house. T-H-E-I-R. their. उनका घर है. Our house is over there. हमारा घर वहाँ है. T-H-E-R-E. their. Next one is we have already finished packing. A-L-R-E-A-D-Y. हमने packing finish कर ली है. We are all ready to leave. हम ready हैं चलने के लिए. This book has a few loose pages. L-O-O-S-E. loose. ढीले pages. Please don't lose any of them. L-O-S-E. loose. इसे घुमाना नहीं. Now moving on to grammar fun. Adverbs are of 3 types. So here in this grammar we are going to do adverbs. We have also done it in the previous lesson, but here we are going to do the types of adverbs. So adverb के 3 type होते हैं. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of place and adverb of time. Previously I have told you what adverb is. Adverb tells you more about verb. Verb के बारे में और ज़्यादा बताता है कि कहाँ वर्ब कैसे हुआ, ये वर्क कैसे हुआ, ये एक्शन कैसे हुआ, हाउ, वेयर और व्हेन. और ये टाइप्स आपको एग्जैक्टली बताएंगे कि कौन सा एडवर्ब है, वो कौन से टाइप ऑफ एडवर्ब है. So firstly, adverb of manner tells us how an action is done. कैसे हुआ है वो काम? Politely, easily, happily. Next is adverbs of place tells us where an action is done. कहाँ हुआ है? Where? There, outside, nearby. Third one is adverbs of time which tells us when the action is done. कब हुआ वो action? For example, yesterday, soon, never. Now, based on this, we are going to do the questions given below. E question, fill in the blanks with the ly forms of the words in the box. So आपको पहले से यहाँ पर कुछ words दिए हैं, आपको उनके साथ ly लगाकर adverb बनाना है and then वो वाले word को आपको proper sentence में put करना है. राधा writes neatly. सुंदर लिखती है साफ सुथरा. जसबीर speaks softly. प्यार से बोलता है. The proud father held his baby lovingly. पापा ने गर्व से अपने बच्चे को बड़े प्यार से पकड़ा. Lovingly, प्यार से पकड़ा. तारा slammed the door loudly and ran out of the room. उसने तेज की दरवाजा मारा और वो रूम से बाहर चली गई. Slammed मतलब तेज की दरवाजा बंद करना. Fully dressed quickly and ran out to catch the school bus. जल्दी से उसने ड्रेस किया और वो स्कूल बस के लिए निकल गया. Now F question. In this question you have to circle the adverbs of place in these sentences. Place, place यानी कि where action is done. कहाँ हुआ है? The sun shines everywhere. हर जगह. Mother is working upstairs. So upstairs ऊपर. You go ahead and I will follow you. तुम आगे जाओ. कहाँ जाना है? Ahead. Simar had lived here most of her life. Here. It is about to rain. Don't go outside. बाहर मत जाओ. Outside. तो ये है place. Now in the next question you have to mark the adverbs of time. You have to circle adverb of time. Palash will come today. कब आएगी? Today. Time है ये. We got up late and missed the bus. Late. UV rarely writes to his grandfather. बहुत ही कम लिखता है वो. Rarely. My father takes the metro to work daily. Daily. हमेशा. कब लेते हैं? Daily लेते हैं. Please tidy up your room immediately. जल्दी से. कैसे? किस समय? अभी के अभी. जल्दी से. It wasn't this hot yesterday. इतना hot नहीं था. कब? कल. Yesterday. Now we will be doing word meaning and make sentences of this lesson. So let's start. First one is affection. Affection means feeling of fondness or liking. प्यार की भावना किसी की तरफ. So you have to make a sentence with this so that you can use it in your daily life also. Gay, here colorful. In the poem, word gay is given and in the poem, according to poem, it means colorful. So you can make a sentence with it also. Cease. Cease means to stop. किसी चीज को रोकना. इसका आपको sentence बनाना है. Next one is infant. Infant means a young child or baby. Newborn baby जो होता है और 6 months तक का 1 year तक का baby उसे infant कहते हैं. And you can make sentence with that so that you can practice all these words and use them in your day-to-day life when you're conversing with anyone. Next one is cradle. Cradle is a baby's cot or bed. जिसमें बच्चा सोता है वो वाला bed, वो पालना, उसे cradle कहते हैं. Now we'll be moving on to question and answers of the poem My Mother. Let's start with question 1. Who slept in a cradle bed? कौन सोया था? The infant slept in a cradle bed. बच्चा सो रहा था. Newborn baby सो रहा था cradle bed में. Write 3 things that the poet's mother did for her when she was a child. क्या 3 चीजें थी जो उसकी मदर करती थी? पोयम में बहुत सारी चीजें दी हुई हैं, but I am just going to write 3 as per the demand of the question. क्वेश्चन में 3 पूछी है इसलिए 3 लिखेंगे, लेकिन पोएम में 5-6 चीजें दी हैं. आप उसमें से चूज कर सकते हो. The 3 things poet's mother did for her when she was a child were: First one is dressed her doll in colorful clothes. Second, taught her to play. And third is taught her pretty stories. उसे अच्छी अच्छी स्टोरी सुनाती थी, खेलना सिखाती थी और उसकी डॉल को ड्रेसअप करती थी कलरफुल क्लोथ्स में. आप ये भी लिख सकते हो, she ran to help her and she kissed the places when she got hurt. जहाँ पर जब भी वो हर्ट होती थी उसे किस करती थी वहां पर उसकी मदर. सो आप ये सब चीजें भी लिख सकते हो. Now question 3 is what does the poet mean by minded all I had to say? इससे क्या कहना चाहता है इस फ्रेज से, इस लाइन से, minded all I had to say? The poet meant by minded all I had to say was that her mother listened to everything she wanted to say. जो भी वो बोलना चाहती थी हर बात उसकी मदर सुनती थी. Question 4 what did the child's mother do for her when she fell? क्या करती थी चाइल्ड की मदर जब वो गिर जाती थी? सो आंसर विल बी द चाइल्ड्स मदर told her pretty stories and kissed the place where she got hurt when she fell. जो चाइल्ड की मदर थी वो उसे अच्छी अच्छी कहानियां सुनाती थी और उसे प्यार करती थी जब भी वो कभी गिर जाती थी. Question 5 why can the poet never stop being affectionate and kind to her mother? कभी भी पोएट क्यों नहीं रुक सकती अपनी मदर को प्यार और काइंडनेस दिखाने से? सो आंसर विल बी द पोएट कैन नेवर स्टॉप बीइंग अफेक्शनेट एंड काइंड टू हर मदर because when she was child her mother did so many things for her and showed affection and kindness towards her which cannot be रिटर्न. सो जैसा प्यार और जैसी काइंडनेस, जेंटलनेस उसकी मदर ने उसे दी है, अगर वो पूरी जिंदगी भी उनके लिए इतना कुछ करे तो भी वो लौटा नहीं सकती. इसलिए कभी भी वो अपनी मदर के लिए प्यार करना नहीं रोक सकती, अफेक्शन दिखाना नहीं रोक सकती है. Thank you everyone for watching my video. I hope I have given you good amount of explanation for the poem and I have given you satisfactory answers for question and answers and book exercise. Enjoy the video, learn well, study hard, and if you like my video please press like button and subscribe my channel, and you can also share it with your friends. Bye bye, take care, stay safe and stay healthy.